Hi, I'm here to give you a quick demo on JIRA. So to start with, you will have to first log in with your JIRA credentials, and then you will come up to JIRA dashboard. Here you can see a create tab. Through this tab we can create bugs. What is a bug? A bug is a problem which impairs or prevents the functions of a project. So we will create a bug like I've got an issue in payment page. Checkout not working. You can describe your issue here. Reporter is me, priority you can set accordingly. Attach the screenshot here and assign this bug to the developer. I will assign it to myself only, and then we create this bug. Now we can also create task. What is a task? A task represents work that needs to be done. So for creating a task, select a task from the issue type drop down and create a task like replace hinted button to share it in products detail page. Like you have to replace hinted button to share it, as we have already faced this issue here. Assign this bug. I'm assigning all the bugs to me and create. So we have learned how to create a task, how to create a bug, and what are these two. Now we come up to the project. Here we have already created test project and search project. We can create as many projects as we want according to our product needs. Like we can create a product detail page project so as to collect those bugs which are related to the product detail page. Will go to the product detail page project. All the search related bugs will go to the search project bucket. So now we have covered board of our project test project Scrum. Here we can see the backlog tab. Backlog tab, what does it do? Everything that we create comes here. You will see the bug and the task that we have created will show up in the backlog tab. See, we had created a bug and a task. All those have been queued, have been collected in the backlog. Now here, as you can see, uh, we have um, as you can see here, we have an option of create a sprint. Now before moving to sprint, I want to explain you, as this is an agile methodology concept, so I want to tell you what is methodology. Methodology is a continuous process of development and testing in the software development process. Agile methodology improves product quality and enables development team to release software on shorter goals. Now we will create a sprint. A sprint is nothing but it is a part of a Scrum meeting where we decide which modules should be developed or tested first. The piece of task is called sprint. So firstly, I will edit this as sprint, test as sprint. In this sprint, we want the sprint goal is we want to upgrade Grand Diamond website by the month of June. Update it. In this upgradation, I want to create a story like I want flash sale banner in the header of every page in Grand Diamond. flash sale banner in the header of every page in Grand Diamond, and this story we have created. In this work will be done in this sprint, TPS sprint 3. I will also, in a story we have story points which we give accordingly how much time they take. If this flash sale banner work takes 1 hour of time or 2 hour of time, we will uh, assign. If it takes 8 hour of time, then I will assign it 0.8 story point. I will also estimate at what time this work can be completed along with all other tasks we have in the sprint 3. So this thing. Now close it. We can move the backlog task in this sprint also, like this. And to the task also, we will also estimate its time, because we want our sprint to be completed within 1 week. Then we will give this task 1 week estimation. This is it. And now close it. Now after doing this, after estimating the times and story points, now we will start a sprint. Here you can see sprint name is TPS sprint 3. Duration, we want to complete this sprint within 1 week. So start time is 3rd June and end time will be 9th June. And the sprint goal is same. We want to upgrade Grand Diamond by the month of June. And let's start this sprint. After starting the sprint, you will see these 5 buckets: to do, in progress, review, ready to test, and done. As the name suggests, in to do we have those tasks that we want to complete in this particular sprint. Like we want to fix that this bug should be fixed in this sprint, this task should be completed within this sprint, this thing should be completed within this sprint. So come up to this bug. I want to show you. Close the bug in this. You will see how these things work. So here you see the to do tab, and the bug is assigned to me also. So like I've started doing work on this project, so I will change the status of this bug to in progress. First, I will change the status of the bug to in progress. After it has been resolved, I will change the status of this bug to ready to test. And in this stage, I will assign the bug to the reporter of the bug. And in this case, this is me only. So in this page, you will see that bug has been shifted from to do to ready to, from to do to ready to test bucket. Once the issue has been tested by the tester, it will be marked as done, and then you will see that this issue has been shifted to this bucket. Likewise, all these tasks will be shifted, will be in different columns by the developer as soon as they complete the particular task, from in progress to review to ready to test. In this stage, ready to test, it will be assigned to the tester, and after testing it, it will be uh, sent to the to do bucket. So like suppose we have completed 2 tasks in this sprint and could not complete this one. So so I have to complete this sprint, and there comes a pop-up and it says 2 issues were done. Yeah, 1 issue was incomplete. So what so select where all the incomplete issues should be moved. It should be moved to backlog or new sprint. No, not backlog. It should be moved to new sprint. We will start work on this leftover task in the next sprint. Back to the project. Here you will see the task that we could not take up in sprint 3 has been moved to sprint 4. So this was overall view of things in JIRA. And lastly, we have a dashboard. This is something which we can customize according to our needs, according to our work, and you can customize this by adding gadgets. We have a list of gadgets here, and we can add them from this add gadget tab. This is your personal area, and you can design it according to your work. Like I'm adding, as I'm a tester, I want to add a gadget according to my work. I want to see my all bugs that I have created in different projects. So I'll take up this pie chart, and that's it. I will create a filter, my bugs report. The stat type would be a project, and I want to update it every 15 minutes and save. So you will see, you can see a pie chart. In the test project, I have logged 9 bugs. In search project, I have logged 1 bug. So this is the pictorial. So I leave it this section to you. You can choose any gadget according to your choice, according to your work. So this is it. Thank you.